So you guys, I just walked the red carpet in Cannes. Good morning. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Today is Saturday, it's the weekend, and we are on an adventure. We are in a different city right now as we speak. We're in a famous city called Canne. It's the famous city of a lot of, especially American celebrities. We're here, the Cannes Film Festival and all those stuff happening. That's the city where we are today. We are just here doing being tourist and visiting the city and see what it has to offer, and do some tourism. Baby's here trying to find something supposed to do.
Yeah, trying to find where to go exactly.
Yeah, because we don't know where we are really, so we're trying to find out which street we are on and see what to do. But yeah, we're just here. Tyler is here. He just woke up from his nap. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Tyler just woke up from his nap and he's so ready to get up out his stroller and start walking, because that's what he enjoys doing, walking. But yeah, we're just here. Going to have a good day today. We're going to make it a good day regardless of whatever the circumstances is. We're gonna make it a good day because that's what we do, right? Let's go and make today a good day. Wow, Tyler, look. Wow, it's so pretty. Towards the port, it seems. Wow, we're actually heading towards the port, which looks so cool. You guys, if you only see around it how pretty it looks. Train, Tyler, your lip is white. We're gonna have to buy you a lip balm. Train, you guys, this architecture is so pretty. Train, tram and train, so pretty.
Hey.
Wow.
one with the flag with the people over. Yeah.
I want a picture right here. Damn, fish. Look at those fish.
Old fort.
Okay. Cold here. Guys, traveling with us to Canne today, and it's so beautiful. Right now we are at the old port. Babe says it really does look like an old port, but it's so beautiful around. And Tyler wants to get up and walk, but I won't let him walk just yet until in a bit. T-Bear, you want to walk? Just walk, okay? Take your time. You're happy to walk? Come on, let's go. Come on. Fish. Walk. Oh, that's the port, you guys. So pretty. Fun on the bike. Just now Tyler had so much fun on the carousel. Tyler, you had fun on the carousel? You had fun outside on the carousel? Tyler had so much fun. We actually stopped at McDonald's to get lunch, and then after McDonald's we're gonna do some more tours. When we go back after you eat, okay? You eat fries first and then you go back on the cars, okay? He wants to go back on the carousel. So funny, right? So lunch is here, you guys, and this is what we're having. I think I'm having fish sandwich. Baby's having his sandwich. An order frappe. Babe got donut, and he got his favorite whatever kind of cheese and I don't even know what that is. And Tyler is having nuggets and fries. Tyler, you have your fries in here. And orange juice for everybody. Ready to eat? Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready to eat? You already been eating, huh? Wow!
Opa, aí patrão! Aí patrão! Aê! Aê família! Vê se vou colar. Obrigado!
That was so natural and cool. That was really, really fun to see. Alright, you guys, we just finished having lunch, and now I think we're going to go on a tour. We're gonna take a train and go on probably like a 1 hour tour or so. So let's see. But lunch was good. I feel like a stuffed pork right now. Where's the juice?
What can I do?
Give it to a homeless person. You see them? Whoa! Yay! I see you! We're in the tourism office and there's a little space for kids and Tyler is enjoying it. So these are some handprints of famous people along, but I can't recognize the names, and it goes all the way down there of famous people, but the names are not engraved in it properly for you to really recognize a lot of them. But that's cool. While you're in famous street, that's what happened. Guys, I just walked the red carpet in Cannes that all the celebrities always walk on. So I guess when you're in Cannes, you have to do what everybody else does. You have to do what all the celebrity does, because that's what makes Cannes, okay? All the celebrities walking red carpet and stuff like that. So that was really cool, just now walking that red carpet that you saw Babe took the footage of. Come down, Tyler, come down. So yeah, we just finished walking the red carpet and we are still going to do some tourism. Going to try and find Ty, look! Ty loves to do this when he sees them. I do! Wait! So we wanted to do a train tour of the city, which we're still going to do, but we just missed the train and it won't be back until 45 minutes, so we're going to find something for Tyler to do until then. Ty, which one you want to do? This one or that one? You want to do this one? Go pay. I'd give it to the guy that was jumping. Tyler wanted to do this one, so I think Tyler going to go in this. Beep beep, woo! Do 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 do. Oh my God! Oh my God! He's dying in there. I'm trying to go live on my Facebook. Where is he? Woo! You go take the pictures. I took pictures already.
I stopped the recording.
Wow, go Tyler! Oh my gosh! He's having a blast. Go baby! Woohoo! He is dying with laughter. Look at him. He's so drawn. He's laughing so bad. He can't stop laughing. Guys, hey Momo! The ride finished already? Ah! Ty, the ride finished? You're ready again? Tell Papa to go pay. Go pay one more ride for him. He's not ready to get out. You're not ready? One more. Tell Papa one more. Yes. Go. Go, baby. Baby, gonna have to pay for him because he's not ready to come out. He's having too much fun. Tyler, look, say hi. Babe going to pay for him again. Ready? Tyler, get ready. It's gonna move. Ready? Ready? Ready, Tyler? Let's go! Huh? Oh, he doesn't need me at all. He doesn't need me. He's having so much fun. Tyler, you ready? Look at him, his music stopped and he played back. Somebody else is on? Okay. Yeah. You have to give her your ticket. Okay, give it to her. Give it to her, Tyler. Oh my gosh.